partner with the law firm Carpenter Lips in Leland in our Columbus office, and I have been designated by Secretary of State Husted to be the hearing officer in this matter. August the 2nd, 2013, 10:31 a.m. Our court reporter today is Karen Sue Gibson, and I would remind you that we are making a record here today, so speaking reasonably slowly and loudly and not speaking over each other is important to her ability to make a proper record. We're here in the matter of the Secretary's intent to remove Ann Dillinger and Martin Kuhlman from the Putnam County Board of Elections. By way of process today, we will start and give the Attorney General's office on behalf of the Secretary an opportunity to speak for the Secretary, and then turn it over to Ms. Dillinger and Mr. Kuhlman to make their record. I want to be very clear that I am vested with the authority to be a hearing officer in this matter. I am not the decision maker. I'm here to make sure that we have a record that's made in this case, and then I am tasked with considering the record in the law and making a recommendation back to the Secretary. It will take me several weeks to do that, just to manage expectations given the rest of my practice schedule. It will take me a couple of weeks to get the record back, to be able to go back through it, and to complete a recommendation back to the Secretary. We did have an opportunity, if the record will reflect, we did have an opportunity before we did go on the record for counsel from the Attorney General's office and both of the parties to kind of talk through the process so that everybody understood what the game plan was for this hearing today. So that did in fact happen. For those of you who are in the audience, welcome. While this is not a court of law, it is important that we make a record in a proper and orderly fashion. So we will rely on counsel for the Secretary of State or the parties to help direct where the testimony comes from, questions, comments, etc. from the gallery. They need to come through the process and not on their own. Do you have any questions about what process or what we're doing here today before we get started? No. Thank you. Hearing none.